All right. Just wanted to keep you caught up on what we did in class today, which is January 4th, 2022. So, what we did, we didn't have anything that we're going to turn in, but we did get some kind of important notes to get us ready for our 4.1 lab. So, what we talked about, we did an activity where we used the iPads to make little waves in a little dish using water and kind of film them in slow motion to kind of see these parts of a wave. And there's four big pieces of a wave that we need to be able to identify. Okay, and the first one is the crest. So we can see here our wave, the highest point above equilibrium is known as the crest. Okay, and our definition for that is going to be the highest point of the wave. Okay, so you can pause the video, write that down. Then this next portion, just the opposite of the crest or the lowest point of the wave, that's known as the trough. Okay, so the lowest point of the wave is known as the trough. Okay, and we can measure how we measure the height of waves is a lot of the time what we do what's referred to as amplitude. So now amplitude isn't the measurement from the trough to the crest, but from equilibrium up to the crest or equilibrium down to the trough. That should be the same amplitude for this wave. Okay, so amplitude is measured from equilibrium to the height of the crest. Okay, and then finally, one of the more important things is wavelength. Okay, so wavelength is measured from crest to crest. We could also measure it from trough to trough. We could also start here and end it here. Really, when we talk about wavelength, it means it's one full cycle. Okay, and you want to pause the video and write that down. Again, it's one full cycle is a wavelength, meaning we have one crest and we have one trough. That creates a cycle. So that doesn't matter if you started here and have half a crest, full trough, half a crest. Either way, right? That's going to be your wavelength. Okay. So those are really the big things that we covered. So as long as you add those into your notes, then you should be good. All right. Talk to you guys soon.